Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to show you guys how I'm cleaning out the seal of my washer. All I have in this bowl is just baking soda and a spoon to help me sprinkle it in the seal. The knife is to help scrape it, and then a spray bottle with vinegar. So I'm actually going to start by just grabbing the big chunks of stuff out of here. I have dogs, we have 3 huskies, so dog hair is prevalent. I'm just going to pull this back along the seal here. And right in here is where I'm going to sprinkle the baking soda, spray it with vinegar, and let it sit for a couple minutes. And then I'm going to come back and scrape it with my knife to get all the soap scum and the buildup off. And then I'm going to take a regular wet washcloth and rinse it out. I've got my baking soda in there, and now I'm just going to start spraying it with my vinegar. The baking soda is to get rid of the odor and stuff, and it reacts really well with the vinegar, and it fizzes, bubbles up, and it's just going to help break down any odor, any soap scum, and all the nasty stuff on the seal here. But this is really all that there is to it.